today we are going to understand chapter number 1 of your course book. And the name of the chapter you already know because we have done the reading of that chapter. Chapter number 1, 2 stories. Chapter number 1, 2 stories. So see, ma'am is having the book. Fine. So you also grab your book, a pencil and start reading and understanding the chapter with ma'am. Chapter 1, 2 stories. Now why the name of the chapter is 2 stories? Can anyone guess? Okay. Let's find out after reading the chapter. Okay. Can Amit eat this apple? Can Amit eat this apple? And see, there is one question mark. After the sentence is completed, there is one mark like this. Yes, this mark is called question mark. And when do we put it? We put this question mark after the sentence when a question has been asked. Okay. So maybe they are asking a question with us. And what is that question? Can Amit eat this apple? So that we will get to know only when we will read the story. So let's read further. Amit. Now see, Amit is written in a dark handwriting. Yes, Amit is darkened. What does it imply? That means Amit is saying something. The sentence which is written is said by Amit. So what Amit is saying? The boy in this green shirt is Amit, and he is saying, what is this? So actually he is asking, what is this? And the girl with apple in her hand, her name is Neha. So what Neha is saying? Neha, it is an apple. So Amit asked, what is this? Neha said, it is an apple. Okay. Let's read further. Amit, let's eat it. So as soon as Amit saw the apple, he said, come on, let's eat it. Why did he say so? Because he must be liking the apple so much that quickly he said, let's eat it. Okay? Neha, no, it is made of mud. Oh God, now see what Neha is saying. No, Amit, you cannot eat this apple. You cannot eat this apple. Why? Because the apple is made of mud. Now, can you eat something which is made of mud? No, we don't eat something which is just made of mud. And what is mud? So, let me show you the picture of mud. Yes, this is mud. And we don't eat anything which is made of mud. So Neha said to Amit, no Amit, you cannot eat this apple. Okay. So I hope we got the answer. The question which we read here, the question which we read at the beginning of the chapter, can Amit eat this apple? So what will be the answer? Can Amit eat the apple? Yes or no? No, Amit cannot eat the apple. Why? Because the apple is made of mud. Fine. So this is the one story. Now let's see the next one. What is in the box? What is in the box? Now again there is one question mark. That means a question has been asked. What is that question? What is in the box? Let's read the story to find out what is in the box. Raj. Now The boy in the blue shirt, his name is Raj. So what Raj is saying? What is this? Now again Raj is asking a question that what is this? So Renu replied. The next line, Renu, it is a frog. The girl in green top, her name is Renu. The name of the boy is Raj and the name of the girl is Renu. Okay. So Raj asked Renu, what is this? Renu said, it is a frog. So let's see in the next picture. Raj, let's see. Oh! So what did Raj said? Looking at the box, come on, let's see. And when he tries to open the box, there was a frog. There was actually a frog and the frog just hops out of the box. The frog hops out of the box. Fine. Now what is hop? The jump which frog takes, that is called hop. Okay. So I hope you got the answer. What is in the box? Can you answer what is in the box? Yes, a frog. There was a frog in the box. And Raj said, oh, because Raj is surprised by looking at the frog. Raj is surprised. Okay, so this is the chapter. Please revise it, read again and try to find out the answer to these two questions. Can Amit eat this apple? And second one, what is in the box? Okay, now we will be doing the same question in our notebook also. So let's take out your notebook and start doing the work with me. Now let's do some question answer in your notebook. Right, you have your English notebook, so take it out and on the first line of your notebook, what you have to do? You will write down Chapter-1. Chapter-1. What is the name of the chapter? Two stories. So you can write down here also, or you can write the name of the chapter below also. After writing Chapter-1, you can also write down the name of the chapter below that. Okay, both the ways are correct. Then after writing the name of the chapter, and remember to mention the date also, the date and classwork or homework. If you are doing the homework, you will write down HW, and if you are doing the classwork, you will write down CW. Date and classwork or homework. Fine. Now see question 1. How to write the question? You will see a margin. In your notebook on the left hand side. A margin. So on the left hand side of the margin, you will write down question 1. Q means question and 1. This you have to write down on the left hand side of this margin. Q1, which means question 1. Fine. Now, where you have to write this question? Just after the margin. let's read the first question. Can Amit eat the apple? And then a question mark. Question mark means you are asking a question. That is why you put a question mark when the sentence is completed. Right? Can Amit eat the apple? Now just think in the story. Can Amit eat the apple? Yes or no? No. Amit cannot eat the apple. Why? Because remember, Neha said the apple is made of mud. So if the apple is made of mud, how can Amit eat it? So Amit did not eat the apple. So what is the right answer? No. So here you will write down A1. A means answer. A1. And the answer is no. Okay, and O, no, and then a full stop, and then a full stop. In the question, you have put a question mark because it is a question, and in the answer, you will put a full stop. Now, let's read the second question, Q2, which means question 2. What is in the box? What is in the box? And then a question mark means a question has been asked. What is in the box? Just think what was in the box which came out. Think. Yes, there was a frog. So the answer is a frog. Here you will give A2. A means answer 2. And the answer is a frog. And then a full stop. Okay, because we are writing the answer. Now remember to start the answer. The first letter should always be in capitals. Here also A is in capital and here also M is in capital. And after completing the answer, you will put a full stop. So these two questions you are going to write down in your notebook very neat and clean. Fine? So bye-bye.